Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Have you ever wondered how people cast their phones on their computer? In your course of generating some YouTube videos, you may want to cast your phone on your computer to make people to really, understand something that you need to use your phone to do. Maybe you want to teach people how to use their phone to do some films or to do some videos using their mobile or using some mobile apps. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cast your phone to your computer in a very simple way. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to get to Google and put in Let's View. When you put in Let's View, it takes you to this place. And then if you click on Sign Up, if you click on it, it shows you Windows, Mac, iPhone, Android, TV. So you just go, my own is Windows. If you're using a Mac computer, you go to a Mac computer. So I'll just go to Windows and then it has downloaded. I'll just click on it and follow step by step on how I am going to, let me cut it from here and take it to my main computer. So that we'll go step by step on installing it. So there it is. So you click on it. Once you have it on your computer, this will come out. You click on yes, install now. So it is installing. It doesn't take time. Let's wait for it to install. If you notice that most of my videos, I do not cut anything. I want you to see it as it is because my channel is all about showing you how to do things step by step. So once it has installed, you click on open now. So it's going to open. So share my screen, but you cannot share any screen now. You need to go to your phone and download the same Let's View app on your phone. So now let me go to my phone. Let me When you get to the Play Store, you will just search for Let's View. Let's View Screencast. That it is. So you will just click on install. So it's installing. It will take some time. 59% installed, 8%, 100%. Still installing. It depends on how fast your internet is. It's not supposed to take long to install it. So it's finished installing. We are now going to open it. So this is it. It's telling me let's view a Nogel. So if I click on that, I will do share my screen. Capture the audio. Okay. Once you click on share your screen, as I just showed you in the previous video, it will show on your computer. This is what you will see on your computer. It will show your phone here on your computer. And then on your phone, you will just click on start now. And then immediately your phone screen will appear. That is what you see. That is it now. So whatever I do now on my phone, you see it's going to show. Whatever I want to do on my phone, it will show. As you can see now, that is the app on my phone. So whatever I want to do on my phone now, using this, let's say I just want to go to YouTube and open it and show you something on YouTube, you know, your phone will just be showing. So it's left for you now to use it to do whatever you want to do. If you want to, explain to people, maybe you want to talk about how people can use CapCut on phone, you can now use it and explain it. Or you want to talk about any kind of app on the phone, you can use it and explain it. Let me show you a few things you can actually do with this lens view. It's not just enough to cast your screen on it. There are other things you can do. If you see this board here, there are a lot of things you can do. With this one, you can increase it. Like if I click on it, it fills up your whole computer. And then you can take it back if you want. You can exit from that and bring it back to the form that you want. And then you can always have this on the top of your computer to use it anywhere you like. You can pin it. Here you can rotate it to the side. Maybe you want to do your videos sideways. You can rotate it here. If I click on it, it will rotate. If I click on it again, it will rotate. Upside down, if I click on it again to rotate. If I click on it again, it will rotate back to what it was. So whichever position you want to place your phone as you're doing your video, you can rotate it to that position. And here you can brush whatever you want to brush. Like let's say I want to brush here to show an illustration. I can use that to brush it. Then I can click back and return it. And then you can record your screen. Let's say you just want to record something you're doing on your phone. Maybe you want to record it and later do a video with it. You can record it. So let me just quickly do that. If I click on this record, so let me just do a few things on my phone. Let's record it. Let me record something here. You know, just record something like, okay, history. Just something, let's say you're just doing something on your phone. So we've recorded a little few seconds, then you come back and stop it. And then you open folder here, and then you find your video right there. Very easy. So if you want to do record something on your screen, you can still use on your phone screen. You can still use Let's View and quickly do that. You see how easy it was to get that done? So go ahead and download Let's View so that whenever you want to, do a video that you want to cast your phone screen on your computer, it is very easy for you to do. Just follow the steps as I just showed you. So that is my digital hustle tip for today. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe until my next video. If you have any questions or any challenges, drop your comments. Or if you have any other app that you feel that you can still use, to cast your phone screen on your computer, drop it for other people to be able to try it and see how easy it is for them to use. But so far, Let's View is the one that I have seen is very easy and straightforward that you can use to cast your phone screen on your computer. Thank you for watching till my next video.